The chain catcher stops the cutting chain in the event it comes off the guide bar. The chain catcher is made of aluminum and is attached to the saw's body in front of the sprocket. If the chain is run with too little tension, it might come free from the guide bar. When this occurs, the chain will often swing back toward the rear handle. The chain catcher both stops the chain from rotating and acts as a pivot point so the chain can't extend as far back. The chain catcher should be immediately replaced if it is damaged or broken off. Replacing the chain catcher is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the bar and chain. Now I have access to the chain catcher, and I can go ahead and remove it. And I'll install the new chain catcher. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the bar and chain. Place the bar over the mounting studs, wrap the chain around the sprocket, and into the groove on the bar. And then I'll replace the clutch cover. I'll tighten the nuts, just finger tight. Retension the chain. And then tighten up the nuts. And that's how easy it is to replace your chainsaw's chain catcher. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.